Oh, hey guys, we're taping
The GoPro
the
stand.
GoPro strap to my gun.
That just fell. Obviously.
Okay, now we just do a few more.
So, yeah. My gun is not this, actually. I'm changing to my trusty, big barrel, long.
Oh,
I know
it's
it's
mine,
not long,
but
well, yeah. But that's always what I use when you have Nerf battles. Yeah, oh yeah.
no,
Don't say that.
don't say Nerf battles.
Nerf battles.
Nerf war.
Well, it's not a war because we're just kind of having one battle. Like, okay.
No, it's my Nerf war series.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we're in a war, and these are the battles of the war. Yeah.
Oh, we have battles in like different places.
Yeah.
Okay, now if I go get my GoPro.
I have no idea where we're doing the battle today, guys, so. Oh, it's kind of heavy, though. This is really light.
Still cocks. Let's just test it. Nice. Alright.
Did you go like this?
Alright, look at my gun. Clocked and ready to go.
For the
So,
GoPro.
Just hold this one more time. I'm going to put an extra layer of tape just to make sure.
Okay. This is now turning into a Nerf GoPro DIY video.
Okay.
Kind of, I guess.
This is how to make put a GoPro on your gun.
Yeah, if you don't have like a super awesome like GoPro stand that goes on to a Nerf gun somehow. Yeah. We tried just sliding the GoPro onto the Nerf gun. Didn't work.
Did not work.
No.
Okay. Just put this on. Alright, so I guess I will see you guys in a little bit while we're just getting prepped for battle. Okay guys, we are just getting locked and loaded, getting ready for battle.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the screen shows the tip of the gun, so that's pretty awesome.
Will this be up before the GoPro video is done?
No, it will not.
Okay, so this is coming out after.
This is coming out after the GoPro video.
Yeah, guys.
You don't have to use blue.
What
I prefer not blue in there.
Okay.
Because the orange ones don't work in this one. And I've tested that.
But yeah, guys. Next time, if there is a next time for me in this Nerf battle series, I will bring my own gun. So yeah, because my own gun is the.
Locked and loaded.
I'm not.
Alright, just turn that up. And we're just gonna wait for Cameron to get loaded and
My barrel has a lot of space, and I'll need it.
we are going to set up the area for the Nerf battle. And then we are going to start the Nerf battle, the actual Nerf battle.
Yeah. Finally.
This is not scripted, by the way.
Yeah.
We have no idea what's gonna happen.
So, like, I could win. Did you say I will win? I can see on screen.
What?
You gonna? No. I heard you say.
Just like your mom.
My mom isn't weird. But your dad is. No, okay, come on.
Hurry up.
Your
Shut
dad's
up.
My dad's applying.
Well, I guess I will see you guys when we are setting up the course. Okay, so now I'm just going to secure up what I'm doing right now, guys. So yeah, no. Okay, so if I
I
can
feel like my gun.
Mm. Okay.
Just gonna get 2 left in it. Or 3 in there. Alright, wait.
Okay. Now I call this side, by the way.
Okay. But I want some stuff on my side too.
I know the couch area is mine.
Right.
The stuff on the couch.
You get under the couch. Under that.
Yeah. What? Dude, that's my barricade. You get the stairs.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it was full thing.
Okay. So this is like little area. I go like pew 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 pew. So now, guys, I'm gonna set a little more of my base up, or like for my barricade, and then I'm gonna wait for Cameron to start his.
I am pretty much done loading. Actually, I am done loading.
I have this little barricade. I'm just gonna get this. Just get this out. Just put
There
this.
was a piece of tan bark in here. That's why I couldn't load this in.
Okay, this should.
It's alright.
Oh yeah. Okay. So guys, this is my little escape area. Right under here, behind here. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. That's so I can like, dang it.
What?
I'm just trying to move it so I can like shoot out of here. Oh, dang it. Okay, I think I messed this up, but it doesn't matter. Let's just put this against here. Yeah. There we go. Then if I put this on top. Oh yeah.
My God, this
That
gun is so
hurt
tan.
Cameron.
You know, all they can see is your feet. Ah! This gun.
Okay guys, this is where I'm going to be doing it. Yeah. Okay. I guess I will see you guys after we do it. Then let's do this. Alright guys, this video is going to be out soon. Just remember to check out the main video after you watch this one, because the main one is going to be going out in a few days. So stay tuned.